Number 4. By integrating both sides of the identity, 1 plus x to the n equals the sum between k equals 0 and n of nck x to k, show that nc0 plus a half nc1 plus a third nc2 all the way up to plus 1 over n plus 1 ncn equals a, b, c, or d. Now let's just get that right hand side organised. So we've got the expansion. So we can see that 1 plus x to the n is equal to this. The first one will be nc0 plus nc1 x plus nc2 x squared all the way along to ncn x to the n. Now, integrating both sides, I'll get 1 plus x to the n plus 1 on n plus 1 plus some constant equals, integrating this one, I'm going to go nc0x plus nc1 x squared on 2 plus nc2 x cubed on 3 all the way on to ncn x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now this c is good for both sides of the integration. We're going to need to find out what the c is, so I'm going to let x is equal to 0, and I get this becomes 1 to the n plus 1, which is 1, so I get 1 over n plus 1 plus c equals, all this goes out, 0, which means that c must equal minus 1 on n plus 1. So now we have 1 plus x to the n plus 1 on n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 equals all this. So I'll just grab that. Whoops. Grab that a bit bigger. Bigger again. Okay. Copy. Paste. And we'll just put that there. Alright. Okay. Now, so what we'll do now, we'll let x equal, this time, 1. So this becomes 2 to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 equals, all the x's go out, but this remains, plus it becomes a half nc1 plus a third nc2 all the way up to 1 over n plus 1 to the ncn, and of course that's all this side here, so this must equal this, which is 2 to the n plus 1 minus 1 all over n plus 1, and that is A.